In this video, I'm going to show you how to find all the free games on itch.io in just a few quick steps. If you're looking for free indie games, demos, experimental projects, or hidden gems without paying anything, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech and gaming guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to itch.io. Once the site loads, take a look at the left-hand side of the page where the filter options are shown. This is where itch.io lets you narrow down results by different categories, tags, and pricing. Since we only want free games, find the price section in the filter menu. Under that price section, click on Free. As soon as you select it, the results on the page will update automatically and show you only the games that are available at no cost. This makes it much easier to browse through free titles instead of scrolling through paid games or mixed listings. From here, you can keep exploring the filtered results, click any game you're interested in, and download or play it depending on what the developer offers. If you want to be even more specific, you can combine the free filter with other categories and tags to find exactly the kind of games you're looking for, whether that's horror, puzzle, platformers, visual novels, or jam entries. So the main idea is really simple. Open itch.io, go to the left menu, and click Free under the price filter. That's it. You now know how to quickly find all the free games on itch.io without wasting time searching manually. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.